Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or hi if you are new. My name is David, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my plant haul slash new plants of August. I try to do these every single month, so if you like this type of videos, make sure you tap the subscribe button down below so you won't miss my future uploads. Alrighty, so the first one, I am not sure if I showed it to you guys last month. You guys, I upload daily content, so like my brain is like all over the place, but I feel like I bought this one this month because it feels brand new. But it's this beautiful Addisonia, also known as Swiss cheese plants, and I got it for $14.98 at Walmart, and it was one of those Walmarts that are really far out there. And yeah, like $14.98, like for this pot. It's like an 8-inch hanging basket, and oh my god, when I saw it, I was like kind of salty because I was like, I'm pretty sure they had more, but I'm so happy that I at least got the last one. It's this beautiful Addisonia, you guys. Anyways, I ended up gifting it to my boyfriend because he doesn't have one. I have one already. It's like right in the corner right there, and I want him to build up his like houseplant collection. So I was like, boo, this is for you. I'm including it on this video because it is new of this month, and also because it came out of my bank, because it was a gift. But I don't know, I think like it still includes on the list. But I just want to share with you guys, like, don't give up on plant shopping. Like, there's still some amazing plants. Don't spend, because I was honestly gonna spend more for an Addisonia for like $40 or like $45 online, but I found it for $14.98 at Walmart. So it's beautiful, you guys. Like, I just love the holes in it, and this is one of those plants that loves to dry out before you water it, and it's also an amazing low light plant. You don't really see a lot of holes. The more bright and direct light that you give it, it will develop more of these beautiful holes on its leaves, or illustrations, I think that's what you call it. So I've been moving it super closer to my window where it doesn't get direct light, it gets bright and direct light, and it has shooting out so many leaves. Like, it's just putting out leaves like nobody's business, and I love that for her. So an Addisonia, aka Swiss cheese plant, and by the way, I'm not lying, I literally got it for $14.98. Yeah. Alrighty, the next one, I have a love-hate relationship for this plant. I got it because I was planning on gifting it to somebody, but something happened. Anyways, it is, I believe it's called the purple waffle plant. It is beautiful. I love how like the bottom of the leaves are purple, and it's like really like wrinkly. It's super cute. I think they also have like a pink version. I paid for it. I think it was $3.48 or $49, $3.98. It was like $5 or $3 at Lowe's. The reason why I'm not really into it, because it's beautiful, but I honestly might give it to one of my family members that has a that is known for overwatering this plant, because I feel like this plant likes to have its soil always moist, and the potting mix that I put on it is very like drainage, like it doesn't really hold onto moisture. So maybe in the future I should start making my own like potting soil mix, because like I'm very bad at like watering my plants, which is also an amazing thing because there, you don't want to overwater your plants. It's better to like underwater than overwater, because once you overwater, I'm saying that word so many times, once you put a lot of H2O in your plants, it starts developing root rot, and so it's kind of hard to like get yourself out on like not watering your house plants. Just give it some soak of water, and you might lose some leaves depending how long it has been without water, or really dry, but it bounces back. This girly though does not forgive me. I ended up buying two, one for me and one for that person that I was gonna give it to, but I forgot to water it and it got really dry. I forgot to, it was only 3 days that it was dry, not even bone dry, and it lost all of its leaves. It's pushing out new leaves. I have it in the kitchen. They're both the same thing, except this one looks really good. So this is one that I'm showing you, so I won't look like crap or feel like poo-poo. But yeah, it's a beautiful waffle plant. I love the bottom of the leaves, but it likes to keep its soil really moist. Alrighty, the next one is this beautiful basic, I don't know the name of this plant. I know it's a philodendron, but I don't know this like specific name. Like, there's Brazil philodendrons, super blue philodendrons, heart leaf, green leaf philodendron. I don't know what her name is. There is no fenestrations. I think something just bit it. It was like that when I bought it. It's just these beautiful plants. It looks like the lemon lime philodendron, but it's not like really like, the new growth is not so like greenish, like bright neonish green. It's just basic green. It's beautiful. I love how big the leaves are. But yeah, I got it yesterday. I paid $8 for it, but I don't know what it's named, but I love how big the leaves are. So yeah, this girl is super cute. If you know what it is called, please let me know. I know it's a philodendron, but I would like to know like what type of philodendron it is. Alrighty, so this one, it is called a coin plant, aka Dracaena or Drancina. This girly, I'm including it as a new plant because it has successfully rooted and I potted her up this month. So I'm including it as a new plant. It's the propagation that I did. I mean, I've heard you can propagate this plant, but I did not know it was that easy. And y'all, it's really easy. So if you have one, they usually sell them like really tall, like in a gallon pots. So if you have one, don't be scared to propagate it because it's really easy. You can make a whole new plant. I just love how it looks with such a small pot on such a beautiful bushy plant. It's super cute. I might get it like a more cuter pot because I feel like it look a lot cuter in a terracotta pot. So yeah, this curly super cute. It was free. I just love doing propagations. All right, this one is a gift from my boyfriend. I was like, girl, I already have this plant, but it really did touch my heart when he gifted it to me because I was like, oh my god, he got me a plant that is so sweet. And it is a spider plant. I love this company, Max & Mills. It's from HEB, and they sell like the most cheapest, amazing, like awesome plants. So if you live in Texas, go to HEB's. They sell amazing plants. Not sponsored. I wish. But it's this beautiful spider plant, and I already have a lot of spider plants. I have a big mother plant that it has like 30 babies that I need to propagate, and then I ended up propagating some more. So I have like 40 spider plants already from propagations because they're so easy to propagate once they have so many shoots. But it's beautiful. I love it so much. I love the pot that it's in, and I have it right next to my little table. I'm just so grateful that he got me a plant. I believe he paid $7.98 for it, and I know they always have like coupons on this one, so it was like $1 off, so $7, not including tax. But yeah, it's a really beautiful plant, and I'm gonna take extra credit for this one because it was gifted to me and I love it. Y'all already know with me and my sansevierias, I love my sansevierias. Like if I had to pick a plant to live with and to only have out of all the other plants, it will be sansevierias because they're so easy. They're the most satisfying things to look when they release a new leaf, and they're so fun to propagate. I got this girly. It was $14 including tax, and I got it because it was the smallest ones that they had to offer. It has 3 in 1, so I was like, this is cute, I'm gonna take it. And the pot is super cute. It is on its nursery pot, but I'm gonna leave it where it's at because it's adorable and I love it. And I think it's called a Starfish, correct me if I'm wrong, but it's a beautiful sansevieria. I love the fact that it has 3 babies. I don't know why this plant makes me so happy when I look at it. I also have it right next to my desk. I love looking at it when I'm editing because it just makes me so happy. I feel it's because like it's like a little family. Like this is the dad, that's the mom, and that's the baby. I'm weird like that, but I think it's just so cute, and I think that's what makes me so happy because I'm like, it's a perfect family and it just is beautiful and I love it and they're so happy. Yeah, sansevieria. This was the only plant that I got it because it was really beautiful. And when I saw its leaves, I was like, girl, you're beautiful. Like, oh my god, it's so amazing. That's why I love begonias. But I don't like them because I kill them. I don't know what's wrong with me with these begonias. And the same thing with my boyfriend. I don't know if it's our environment because it's always hot where we live. It's really hot. I'm not gonna lie, it's really hot. I tend to like underwater my plants so I know it's not root rot. He tends to overwater his begonias. We kill our begonias. Like I said, I don't know if it's our environment because like I said, it's really hot where I live. But yeah, it was a cute begonia. It was for $2.94 at Walmart. We love Walmart with its prices. They really have the most cheapest plants. It's a beautiful begonia. It's cute, but I kill it. I kill begonias. And this is the last begonia I'm ever going to buy because I bought so many before. Look at the bottom of the leaves. Like, girl, who let you be this beautiful? I love begonias, but I kill them. So this is my last one. I'm gonna try my best to still take care of it and nurture it, but if it's on its last leaf, I'm gonna give it away for free to a begonia expert, so this begonia is not gonna die on my hands. I'm pretty sure they'll have better luck and they can revive it and they'll have a free plant. If not, then it's fine. They didn't lost any money, but I don't want to kill it. And I feel like somebody else is gonna take better responsibility over me, but begonias are just not for me. Except the pocket of begonia. My pocket of begonia is doing really good. Another gift from my boyfriend. We've been like gifting each other plants. Like I've been giving him some plants and he's been giving some plants, but he got me this beautiful orchid and it was in bloom and I repotted it. And they got some comments, people saying like you didn't have to cut the blooms, like it was very unnecessary. But I was doing a lot of research and they said that when you repot your orchid, when you get your orchid, it's smart to repot it because usually when you buy it, it's been in that like soil thing, like it's potting mix. It's been on that since when it was like propagated or like when it was in its own original nursery. And these girlies, they like to get repotted every single year. So I was like, I'm gonna make you happy. I'm gonna give you some fresh soil or bark, is literally bark and some other pieces that it has. And I'm gonna cut your blooms because I'm a leaf person. I would pick leaves out of blooms any day, because leaves is what you see 24/7, and they're just I love the leaves. I'm weird. I love the leaves a lot more than the flowers. The flowers are beautiful. I'm gonna give credit where credit is given, but the leaves are just super cute. It's so tropical, and I love how big and it gives like those type of vibes. Yeah, I think he paid 20 something for this one, $29.98. That's usually the prices for orchids at HEB, and he got it for me because I told them that I give up on orchids. I don't want to touch orchids anymore in my life, because before I got this girl, I was just so overwhelmed with the orchid, not community, but like the care requirements for orchids. They require different pots, different potty mix, different light, different fertilizer. And for me, I'm just like, you're asking for way too damn much. Like I don't even do that much for myself. So I know there's some amazing people that are amazing with orchids, but that's just not my cup of tea. The only reason I have this one is because he bought it for me, and I'm gonna do my best and educate myself in every way like as I can. I know there's some amazing orchid YouTubers out there, which I'm binge watching their videos, but yeah, I'm gonna do my best to keep her happy, because like, yeah, this one was a gift from my mom. She ended up going to Corpus and she saw this beautiful feather Calathea, and she got it for me, and I was like, oh my god, you're so sweet. Also, like, my mom and I, we've been gifting each other like plants. I don't know why, but like my family and I, like, we're just been such a like in a good positive mood, and we just like want to give each other plants, and because plants make us happy at this point, and we're going through a lot right now, and plants is what, because like, you know, like I said, it makes us happy. So yeah, she got me this beautiful feather Calathea, and it was in Corpus. You know, HEB, this HEB is in Texas, and this same company, I love this company so much. Costa Farms and this Max and Mills, girl, like, on miles. They have like amazing plants and a very, very affordable prices. I love this one. It's super, super cute. The bottom of its leaves are just the most beautiful color, and yes, they are actually really, really fluffy. Like, it's really, really soft. It's an amazing plant. Now, this is the one that I also got with my Addisonia. When I saw these two, I was like, I saw these at Walmart. You know what I'm saying? Like at Walmart for $14.98. Amazing, beautiful, healthy plants. I believe it's called a Hoya, not a Hoya Compacto, a Hoya Carnosa or Pink Queen, not the Pink Princess. Anyway, she's super, super cute. It is a Hoya, and it's putting out this beautiful new leaf. It was very, very pink when I got it, but now it's turning white, because it first comes out pink and then it turns white, and then it starts slowly transitioning to its green, like, you know, leaves with this white variegation. It's beautiful, and it was for $14.98. Like, I couldn't say no. I'm not a big Hoya person because I never like really found the interest in them, but this is my Hoya Compacto. That's my first one. This is my second Hoya, and I'm actually starting to find the addiction with Hoyas. They're like that succulent but like tropical, like combined. That doesn't make any sense, but like, it's just a beautiful plant, and its leaves, its variegation, it's beautiful. That's all I gotta say. This one is new. I got it, I think 2 days ago, from my favorite nursery at Rainbow Gardens, and it is a Staghorn Fern. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. So to get a little bit crispy. Oh my god. Now, I knew that when I got, the reason why I got it, guys, because it was for $7.99, and for me, when I saw it, I was like, okay, that's really, really cheap. The universe is like telling me to get it because it's a really, really cheap price, so I got it. But I got it irresponsibly because I don't know how to take care of it. I've seen it in a lot of pictures on Instagram, but I don't know. I know that it likes to I know that it likes to be like on a piece of wood, like hanging on the wall. It loves to be like that. But yeah, I don't know why. I've been putting myself on like places, on like testing the waters on like different plants, and getting myself out of my comfort zone with just like the basic house plants, and actually buying other like tropical plants that I never thought I would ever like have in my collection. And I just want to like learn more. But it's a beautiful plant, and it was for $7.99 at Rainbow Gardens. I just couldn't say no, and I feel like it has 3 plants. Well, it has 2. I don't know what that is, but it's cute. It's really, really cute. I do need to repot it, and I'm gonna be watching a lot more videos By the way, this is how it was when I bought it. I need to like do like the wall and like the board thing very soon. Yeah, she's just been doing her thing in my like in the corner of my room, and she's just been doing like her thing. So a beautiful Snakeplant Fern. Alrighty, we got 3 more. This is the third one. Another Sansevieria that I got at River Gardens for $7.99. And y'all know me, I love my Sansevierias. The reason I got this one, because this was the only one that had 2 plants in 1 pot. So theoretically, I paid $40 for each, which is not a bad deal. You know what I'm saying? It's beautiful. I don't really have this one. I don't think I have this one. My goal by age 25 or 30 is to have all of the Sansevierias, like all the different varieties and species. Because like I said, Sansevierias are just my favorite plants. And I just love, I don't know why I love it so much, but it's a really beautiful plant. Y'all let me know like which plant you're obsessed with, because for me it's Sansevierias and Philodendrons, but right now it's Sansevierias. Alrighty, so the final 2 are these beautiful donkey tails that I found at Home Depot for $10.98. Yeah, I got them for $10.98, which is literally insane because I've seen this really expensive on Etsy and online, and I got one for me and one for my boyfriend. And we have it in our kitchen window because it gets really bright direct morning light, and then it gets bright and direct light the rest of the day. But yeah, adorable donkey tails. And I love succulents. I love succulents because they're so easy to look after. As long as you give them the light that they need, they would thrive. And I also love the fact that it's so easy and like satisfying to propagate succulents because it's really easy. And yeah, so I broke the piece, but that's okay. It's a succulent. You can propagate and make a whole new plant. So I'm gonna propagate this girl. I'll keep you guys updated on Instagram. Alrighty guys, so that is it for my August plant haul, or new plants of August, new plants that I bought from August. Lord have mercy, it is really late and it's really hot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, because I upload daily houseplant content, and tomorrow I believe I'm going to be filming an updated houseplant tour. I do these every single week. I'm trying to. I've been on a roll. I did it last week and I'm gonna do it this week as well, tomorrow. But yeah, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!